Boiling point elevation. Question asked on this topic will be explain the elevation in the boiling point of a solution. Boiling point of boiling point. Boiling point of liquid is the temperature at which the vapor pressure becomes equal to the applied pressure, or the boiling is the temperature at which the vapor pressure of liquids become equilibrium to the atmospheric pressure. For liquids in open container, the applied pressure is atmospheric pressure. It has been found that the boiling point of a solvent is elevated, means increased, by dissolving a non-volatile solute in it. Thus, the solutions containing non-volatile solutes boil at temperature higher than the boiling point of pure solvent. If T naught B is the boiling point of a pure solvent and Tb is the boiling point of the solution containing a non-volatile solute, so the boiling point of the solution containing non-volatile solute is greater than that of the boiling point of pure solvent Tb naught. The difference between the boiling point of solution containing non-volatile solute and that of the pure solvent at any given constant temperature is called boiling point elevation, and which is given by the equation delta Tb is the boiling point elevation is equal to Tb minus Tb naught. Tb is the boiling point of solution containing non-volatile solute, and Tb naught is the boiling point of the pure solvent.
For newer and newer videos, please like, subscribe and comment on my channel and press bell icon button for new updated videos.